Right now, the radar is sweeping around, showing quiet conditions for southwest Florida, but that will change later on this afternoon. Most of the heavy rain is off to the north. Matter of fact, a few thunderstorms moving between I-75, the Turnpike, and I-10. Some of these heading right towards Jacksonville for the morning commute. That line will arrive later on this evening for us, and not everyone's going to pick up the rainfall, even though we do need it. We're now over 2 inches behind since December 1st in Fort Myers, 1.25 inches year to date in Naples, over an inch as well. You step outside, it is warm. Our average high this time of year is 76. We're sitting at 70 in Fort Myers, 71 in the Cape, also 70 down in Naples, as we are way above our average of 55. And this is a 4 to 5 degree jump across many locations, almost a 10-degree jump for Northport and Port Charlotte, as our wind will start to turn west today. It's going to pick up. We're going to see 15-mile-per-hour winds gusting over 20, and that's just the start of the blustery conditions. These dew point values here this morning are very similar to a late spring, early summer reading, because we are near 70 degrees. And with that, we've got some fog issues for Glades and Hendry County, where visibility is down to 1/4 mile right now for both of our interior counties. And we're starting to see some of that fog creep along the locations along 82, Lehigh Acres, Gateway. And the wind today, as it picks up, will keep us in the low 80s. We'll see it 10 to 15 miles per hour. There, the gusts arriving ahead of the front later this afternoon. So although we are waiting for that chance of rain, it will be breezy and warm. Our sunset time comes at 6:11, where we're going to keep those clouds around. Our record high on this date is 87. We'll be nowhere close to that, but you can see how far above our averages of 76 and 55 we're riding. The warm conditions are pretty much southern Georgia and Florida. The rest of the country now is seeing the colder temperatures arrive, all thanks to a pair of fronts. And as this low moves through, we will see a chance of rain. Not quite as widespread as it is right now across the Carolinas and Georgia. It's going to break apart. Matter of fact, let's show you what it looks like around 4 or 5 o'clock. You can see those scattered showers moving through. Tomorrow we'll keep clouds around. It is going to be windy here over the weekend. We're going to see wind gust up to 30 miles per hour. And then as we look ahead from Saturday into Sunday, we're going to see a chance of some showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two here late afternoon, early evening. Here's what it looks like up close today. There's that line of showers arriving around 3 o'clock, pushing south by 6. And while we'll wake up with some cloud cover here for your Saturday, it looks fairly dry, just windy. And then on Sunday, here comes that chance of rain arriving late in the afternoon. Let me show you what it looks like in the 7-day forecast, because Saturday will be our coolest day, only reaching 77. And then really quick next week, we are going to continue to crank the heat right back up. We'll be back in the mid 80s starting as early as Tuesday afternoon.